Hi, my name is Gina Holmes and I'm your sopologist. I'm going to talk to you about functional lattes. Functional lattes, never knew these existed until a few months ago, and I am deeply in love with them. They are so good. The taste, who cares if they're good for me or not? The taste alone has blown me away. All right, I happen to have all three flavors in front of me, and just note, like, this is our latte packaging, and always on the back you're gonna find your flavors, any nutritional information and ingredients. So I have chocolate mocha, I have blueberry vanilla, and pumpkin spice latte. Yes, it is pumpkin and apple season. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make one, and I'm gonna tell you a little about them. I grabbed my double bubble cup, one of my favorite cups. It's double walled glass, so I can do hot or cold in here and not worry about burning my hands. All right, so here is our cup. I've got my perfect cup spoon for measuring. It's 2 teaspoons for our drink. I have my hot water over here. And then you're just gonna need whatever milk product you want. And I have some oat milk. Now you could use regular milk, you could use cashew's milk, you could use a creamer, you can use whatever you want, okay? But those are the things that you're gonna need for this drink. All right, now what is a functional latte? Not only is it a great tasting latte, there are a couple special things about our functional lattes. They contain the lucuma fruit. Lucuma is, like I said, a fruit, but it has this wonderful sweet maple flavor. So it is a natural sweetener for our lattes. It is also contains a variety of antioxidants. It's heart healthy. It's anti-aging, and it contains a ton of fiber. We all can use extra fiber in our life. The second superfood that it contains is something that is called maca root. Maca root has high levels of iron, it has calcium, amino acids, and vitamins and minerals. All right, I know I need those things in my life, so I'm sure you do too. All right, to make this wonderful treat that is less than 25 calories and 5 grams of sugar or less, depending on which flavor that you pick, is simply done. All right, we are gonna go ahead and make the blueberry vanilla. It's evening where I am at, even though we see some sunlight back there. It is early evening. So the chocolate mocha flavor does contain a small amount of caffeine. It's not high, but the vanilla blueberry and the pumpkin spice do not have any caffeine in them. So we're gonna do those today here. Okay, so the blueberry, all right, I know it doesn't look very blue right now, but that does contain some of the butterfly pea flower in it, which is gonna give it this blue hue. And when we watch, you'll see it come up. All right, so I put 2 teaspoons in my cup. Now I've got my hot water here. I'm not gonna fill it completely because I am gonna top this off with my oat milk. All right, I'm gonna do approximately a cup of hot water. And I wanna go ahead and mix this. So you can use a whisk. If you have our matcha whisk, that would work well for you too. In a pinch, hey, I've used a fork, but I do have an electric whisk today. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and get it mixed up. Now, I mentioned, because this is important for me, I'm a diabetic, that it is less than 5 grams of sugar. Now, whatever type of milk product that you add to it is gonna add the additional carbs. So if you use a regular milk, that's gonna be much higher, right? But my oat milk only has 4 grams. So I'm totally good. I'm still totally within my guidelines. All right, so here's what it looks like. And you can kind of see this blue like hue to it, especially where the sunlight is coming down here on the bottom. All right, Now, I'm going to go ahead and add my oat milk. Now, I'm not doing it this time, but I often treat myself and I will froth my milk because frothing milk is just fun and it looks pretty. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add that just on top here. And now you're really going to see this blue come out. Look at that. Right? Blueberry vanilla. And then if you want, you could top it off with something good, right? We always got to treat ourselves at home. I have our salted caramel taste topper here. We also have a chocolate burst that's really good to combine with these, but the salted caramel I find goes very well with all of them. So I'm just going to give a little sprinkle here on top, and our taste toppers use the lucuma also as a sweetener in it. Bonus! All right, that is how easy it is to make a functional latte at home, and you're not gonna get something as good as this in some box store. All right, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you later. Bye!